Hello friends, welcome to my channel and thanks for watching this video. Friends, in this video we are going to discuss about Asia-Met Resources, and what you can see is the long-term chart for this particular stock. And although it has been trading inside a range which I will show you, but the stock has started moving on the upper end of the range, towards the upper end of the range, and till now it has given 400% or 450% worth of return. So we are going to discuss about that, but before that, if you haven't subscribed my channel, hit on the subscription button and also hit on the notification bell to get the notification of my upcoming videos. Now let me show you the trend and the levels which one should expect in this particular script. Okay, so this is the lower end of the range, and what you could see as your higher end of the range, somewhere like this. Okay, so this is the higher end of the range. Now what does the current share price and the trend tells you? The answer is simple. It is saying that it is ready to go on the upper end of the range, and probably it has started doing the same thing in the past couple of months, as you can see. Now with this, you have your first support at 3.2, then you have 2, then you have 1.2, and your big support will come at 0.7. On the upside, what you are looking is 8.2, although there is one more level which one should look at. Okay, so your first target will be 6, then 8.2, then we have 14.8, and finally 19. So these are all the levels which one needs to look at, and it is probably started moving on the higher end of the range. Having said that, first of all, you have your particular range, so do not simply think that it's going to break the range very easily, because it takes lots of time for this range formation, and if it has to happen, if a breakout has to happen, the stock will have or would have done that, but it hasn't happened till now, so the probability is less. So unless the stock moves and settle above 19, there is no chance that it's going to create a new trend, and the same is for the downside as well. Now as the stock moves from one level to another, what you need to do, you need to readjust your support and resistance level and trail your stop losses accordingly to save the profit. So although it is looking like it's the probability for this stock is going to be on the upside, still you should analyze the risk at each and every levels, and then take your decisions. Okay, so this is the end of the video. If you like this content, do share your thoughts in the comment section and subscribe my channel. Lastly, take care of your family and friends.